No, for sure.
What's going on? It's your boy Josh K. Twan, the nature loving done.
You feel me?
I'm with my boy Zokio. He's a nature lover too.
I love the green.
Yes, sir.
Green
Yes,
on
sir.
green.
Y'all already know it's Jtz Nature. I'm fine. Appreciate you, brother. Man, we came on a beautiful hike, as y'all gonna see. Coming in a few moments. How's the hike going for you, my boy Twan?
10 out of 10 every time.
10 out of 10 every
I
time.
always give vibes.
My boy Zokio.
Definitely 10 out of 10.
Every time.
Great vibes.
Yes, sir.
Great spirits.
Yes, sir. Oh, for real though. But when you come in the woods, bro, you live your truth, bro. You can't come to the woods and lie, bro. That's just something you can't do, bro.
You feel free out here.
Okay.
So you can come out here 5 from 12.
You definitely
You
do that.
really can.
Like, this would be a great spot.
And then we know this shit too.
But we
like,
don't
bro,
promote violence.
I don't know.
No violence. Bro, imagine we on the run, bro. Meet me at the Fire Temple. Niggas be like, what the fuck is the Fire Temple?
You already know.
We chilling.
Damn, bro.
You feel me?
That shit hard. You know,
Okay.
this
Happy to you.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, Tony not good.
Yeah, you feel me? They can't. I'm gonna give them that later, bro. I'm gonna give them that
I saw
later.
that. Hey, look, that's why I cleared the spot. I was like,
I'm like, okay. I'm gonna give them that later, bro. I don't know, bro. Twan, give him the quote of the day, my boy.
For sure.
This show's getting there. You feel me? We gonna go back to enjoying the moment, bro.
What's crazy, my boys? It's 10:30, and I'm scheduled to work at 11. But I don't mind being late. I'm gonna be there at 12.
I thought you said 12.
Happiness itself. Oh no, happiness is itself a kind of gratitude. That's a quote.
They said happiness is what?
I gotta take the call. Hello?
It's something about gratitude. I'm grateful, bro.
Very much.
And I show myself, you know what I'm saying, a whole bunch of love. But this is good for our bodies, bro. This is good for our minds,
It's
bro.
definitely good for our bodies.
Like, for real, bro.
It feels healthy. You feel me?
No, I really do feel super healthy, bro.
I ain't even do all that bumping and lose it good.
For sure, I ain't gonna show your mind, but definitely got a good.
You got the muscles coming.
You feel me?
I like that.
You dig, but Twan, the answer phone, done.
You feel me?
He's over there. Me and my boy Zokio.
Yeah, with the green.
You dig? And we are out. For Showski.
I think Biden gonna win just off of the actions of Trump.
No cap.
You know some shit when you like, stop counting. Like,
He already know
you feel me?
Bruh.
You folks out here harassing the counters and shit.
I thought they already got their answers though, bro.
Yeah.
I just know they getting the military ready. She gonna be crazy. Oh no. I feel
Out here enjoying the nice weather. Hopefully, you feel me? It stays beautiful all day. More than likely it is.
Okay.
it definitely is. You feel me? When you with the bros, bro, it's nothing but good times, bro. You can hold talk to them for a second, bro.
Yeah, what's happening, y'all? It's your boy Zoe, you feel me?
Yo!
Shit, we out here, you feel me? We walking. We got Twan, we got Josh.
Yes, sir.
We enjoying the trail. This only my second time hiking, so you feel me? I really don't be doing this, but you feel me? My niggas is like, yeah, bro, you gotta do this shit, cause they say, you feel me? It's good for peace and shit like that.
Come on, bro. You can't lie in the woods. It's your truth.
You feel me? So when you in the woods, hey, look, hey, that sign right there, what that say? I gotta get closer.
Breathe.
Hey, that sign says breathe. Y'all probably can't see that shit too good, but you gotta breathe out
You
here.
gotta breathe. For sure.
And shit, enjoy life. Twan, you wanna say something?
Twan, talk to the folks.
You feel me? It's your boy Twan the motherfucking done in the cut. Chilling with my niggas. Shit. We out this bitch. This shit really started because of my nigga Josh, you feel me? He hit me up, bro, so he was just doing it by himself. Ooh, the sky look beautiful. I wanted to hop on that hoe too. Shit, I just love the green, bro. Looking at that green, you feel me? We be out here like brainstorming ideas and whatnot. Shit lit, you feel me? My boy Josh.
Gang shit and no lame shit. For hoes get money. For Showski.
Definitely.
For Showski. What's going on? It's your boy Josh K.
It's okay, yo, you feel me?
You did.
Twan the done.
Twan, the nature loving done. Say something to the camera, Tom.
You feel me? Out here, living life to the fullest.
No cap, we do it
Having
every
fun.
day.
You feel me?
He did, so we on this little nature walk, you feel me? Bro moments, that's what we all about.
On the way to the fire temple.
No cap. We gotta go through the earth kingdom and get to the fire temple, but
Oh, the fire nation, my fault.
fire nation for sure.
I ain't God, these come out here. I'm good as fuck.
You got like noodles to me a little bit.
Look,
For sure.
make good seafood boil.
That's that old bell. Yeah.
I love this shit.
Okay. We almost to the light, guys. You feel me? I just want to say what's up to the people. For sure, Ski.
No, they mama proud. Look at them handsome boys. Ooh, they look so handsome. Y'all need to get out though. Go support us. Much love. For sure, Ski.